Kinukuha niya yung delivering lechon, guys. Umorder akong lechon. There you go. Ayan na. Ilalagay niya sa car. Pinunta namin si Kuya Raymond.
Is it wrapped?
And then more. Okay, it's wide open. Delivery. Lechon delivery.
That looks smaller. No? I swear it looks smaller.
Look.
What?
Why is that smooth? Skin smooth.
Skin what?
Skin.
Yeah. Still enough for us. Not enough for us. Okay.
Tada! Smell lechon now. Nakauwi na kami, guys. Chinap-chop ko na pala. Yan yung lechon. Naka-chop-chop na ako. Si Habi nagsasampay. Ako nire-rent yung pagkain. Nakain kami. Ang sarap! Tanginang shit! Kuya, ang sarap! Meron pa siyang palibreng Mang Tomas. Sarap talaga niya maglechon. Grabe. Order kayo kay Kuya Ryan, guys. Ang sarap niya maglechon. Ano lang siya, medyo lubok-lubok, kuya. Gusto ko kasi makinis eh. Parang kuya, na sobra sa init, ganon. Pero ang sarap, guys. Kakainis. Worth it. Yung drive namin ni Happy, 2 hours, ha? 2 hours, back and forth 4 hours. Ang sarap. Worth it. Kain tayo lechon. Kasi ito sausaw ko, guys, toyo with tamarind. Toyo tamarind. Soy sauce with tamarind na nabibili sa supermarket. Kasi yung lechon ni Kuya Ryan. May pangit to. He's putting gravy on the lechon. He having lechon. Yung topping ng lechon, chips, gravy, and a bit of Philadelphia. British na, no? British version, agros. Tapos may tinapay siya on the side. Ako talaga Pilipino kasi this is sticky rice. Tapos yung topping sa loob, may mga sili-sili siya, guys. So, manghang siya. Medyo may kick.
Did I try sticky rice at that Thai restaurant? I think I did, didn't I? I can't remember.
It's worth to drive. Happy drive, I think 5 hours. Kasi may traffic. Worth to drive. We see Mars anyway. And Kuya. So ko, guys. How is it? Yeah, I'm gonna have it.
I will have it.
I love having nuggets. Eat, baby girl. Sarap. Chili. So, laki. Chili. You try?
Tilt Earth's app. Just a reminder. Please stop.
Parish one.
Too loud?
Please stop making these boring PowerPoint introduction slides.
I love you.
Let's go to shape. This audio.
What you said?
Loud?
Parish one.
I don't care.
Loud? Loud?
Too loud. Eat na, baby. Luna said, goodbye, Ninang. She said that. Hindi ko lang na-capture.
Bye, Ninang.
See? Goodbye, Ninang. Sabi niya kay Ninang niya. Nakita niya Ninang niya. Natakot. Akala siguro iwanan namin kay Ninang. The lid is so nice.
It's cold.
Stop. No, jump.
It's cold.
It's hot. It's okay.
I prefer it warmed up. You know where the lid is? Lid.
Ano ba? Ang sarap ha. Order na kayo kay Kuya Ryan, guys. If you in London, in Hillingdon, order na kayo. Nearby to him. Sarap. Sa kanya ako nag-order ever since kay Kuya Ryan. Hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo, masarap. Sibulito ng ano niya, peg. Sarap, promise. Kung naka-order na sa kanya, sasabihin nila na totoo. At saka, kung nakasubaybay kayo sa akin, nakikita niyo yan, lechon parati sa mga vlog ko at iisa lang in-orderan ko. Alam niyan. Nag-crave kasi ako ng lechon. Walang occasion. Nag-crave lang ako ng lechon. Tsaka, pinasyalan namin naman si Kuya. So, order na. Bagay siya si sticky rice. Kasi bukas di ba puso? Ang sarap talaga. Hindi oil. Sarap. Kasi nakita ko pa siyang maringyo. Yung maganda kong kumare. May pasalubong ako sa kanyang blackening shampoo at saka tuyo. Bili ako ng tuyo. Kasi may nagbigay sa akin ng tuyo, madami. Hinati ko. Pag naka-receive tayo ng blessing, i-share din natin, di ba? Baby, eat! Nakaano siya. How is it, Mike? Nagpalit pa sa ng damit, oh.
Hello.
How is it? You change your set because you're wearing white.
It's warm and hot in there.
You're wearing white. He's scared to splash on it.
This is my pyjama top.
Poor daddy, he drives so long. Look, it's so nice, isn't it? Yeah. Sarap. Yum. Say lame. It's delicious. Lame. Say lame.
Sorry?
Lame.
What's that?
Delicious. Yummy.
So what was it you say?
Lame.
Is that Tagalog?
No, Bisaya. I just heard it. And they said it's delicious. So I'm asking, I'm passing on.
What's in Tagalog then?
Masarap.
Oh, that's it, yeah, masarap. Masarap. Masarap.
Hey, pretty girl. Masarap, no?
Why do I only seem to ever make really small?
What are you using to record?
I have to eat them 9 times out of 10.
What are you using to record?
Camera.
I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to
But that's not the Apple one.
ice cream waste, so I usually make a small portion for the video. Also, the lens that I use to film on my iPhone 12
Is that TikTok?
kind of distorts things a little bit. So the fisheye lens makes it
TikTok.
look small.
Ang cute niya magsabi ng TikTok.
So it
TikTok.
distorts the view of it all. You can see when I lift it
Kaya natatampal ko to minsan eh.
bigger. Now when I put it away,
Yun na, daddy.
it's small. See the difference?
That's why I slap you sometimes without saying anything. When I'm nanggigigil to you. When I find what you say cute, I just Tell me if you want more meat, yeah?
Or you can say, tell me if you want me to slap you.
Baby girl? Did you put baby girl? I'm enjoying the leek and the chili. So crunchy. Yeah, it's still.
Yeah, I'll put some. Yeah. It is actually quite unsure, yeah, but it's very delicious.
I'm scared to chew more skin because my teeth is
Yeah.
veneer.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Thank
You Paul.
And did you tell them that this is the first time you've had Pizza Hut for a very long time?
We had Pizza Hut as well, guys. While we're there.
In a Pizza Hut restaurant, which over here is quite